Hello and welcome to our Yoga Glow Flow. To begin, meet me in Thunderbolt at the back of your mat. Take a moment to breathe, settle into the practice, and then roll out your wrists. You can do any movement, just see what feels good for you. And then make your way onto your hands and knees for tabletop. Extend your right leg back, toes grounded, and bring your left hand to the back of your head. Lift your right leg up, and then draw left elbow and right knee together and open. Exhale together, inhale, open. 3 more. 2 and 1. Hold. Ground your right toes, extend your left arm to the left side, and then thread your left arm underneath your right arm towards the right side, and bring it up again. Now, if you'd like a little challenge, lift your right leg up and do the same movement. Thread your left arm through, and lift up again. 3 more, your variation. Last one. Extend your left arm forward, balancing tabletop. And ground your hand and knee. Sit back, child's pose. Return to tabletop. And extend your left leg back, toes grounded. Bring your right hand to the back of your head. Lift your left leg up. And then exhale. Draw right elbow, left knee together. Inhale, open. 4 more. Last one. Ground your left toes, extend your right arm to the right, and then thread your right arm underneath your left arm towards the left side, and back, right arm to the right. Again, option to lift your left leg, and do the same movement 4 more times. For 2. And last one. Balancing tabletop, right arm forward. And child's pose. Make your way into downward facing dog. Pedal out your legs at any movement that feels good. And find stillness. Lift your right leg up, 3-leg dog. Then step your right foot forward between your hands. Now lift your hands back, palms face down, upper body stays leaned forward. Then inhale to lift your arms high, extend your front leg. And exhale, lean forward again, arms back. 2 more. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lean forward. Last one. Inhale and exhale, bring your hands to the mat. And then we're going into a half split variation. So extend your front leg, bend your left knee, your back knee, and walk your hands back a little bit. So you feel a nice stretch in the back of your right leg. And walk your hands forward just in front of your right foot and find supported warrior 3, lifting your left leg up. See if you can float your hands up, unite them at your heart, and rise up to standing balance, left knee lifted. Bring your left knee out to the left side and step back, reverse triangle. Front leg extended, right arm stretches back. Bring both hands to the front of your mat again and step back, single leg plank, your right leg lifted. Place your right foot to the left here and lift up, downward facing dog. Lower back to plank. If you're feeling strong, lower your left hip down, gaze over your right shoulder, and then lift up again, downward facing dog. 3 more like that. Come to plank, option to lower your left hip down, and downward facing dog. 2 more. Lower, and lift. Last one. As you lift up, extend your right leg back, 3-leg dog. Bend your knee, open your hip, and option for wild thing, lowering your right foot down. Lift your hips high. Step back to plank. And option to take a vinyasa, and then we'll all meet in downward facing dog. So for the vinyasa, inhale, shift forward, option to drop your knees. Exhale, bend your elbows, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Take a moment to breathe. And let's do the other side. Reach your left leg back, 3-leg dog. And step forward. Find your high lunge with a hinge forward, arms back. Inhale to lift, extend your front leg. Exhale, lean forward again. 2 more. Inhale. And exhale. Once more. Inhale. Exhale, ground your hands. Half split variation. Left leg extends, right knee bends. Walk your hands forward. Supported warrior 3. Float your right leg up. Bring your hands to your heart. Stay in this balance for just a moment. And then rise up. Lift your right knee up, standing balance. Right knee out to the right side. And step back, reverse triangle. Cartwheel both hands down. Find your single leg plank, left leg extended. Bring your left foot to your right heel and pike your hips up, down dog. Lower your hips down to plank. Maybe your right hip comes lower, gaze over your left shoulder and lift up again. 3 more. Lower, option to bring your right hip down, gaze over to the left and pike up. Only 2 more. Last one. As you lift up, extend your left leg back, 3 like dog. Bend the knee, open your hip, and option to come into a wild thing. Back to plank. Option to take another vinyasa, and we all meet in downward facing dog again. Slowly walk your feet forward and sit down onto your glutes. Come into a forward fold. You can keep your knees bent or extend your legs, whatever feels good, and then fold over your legs. Slowly rise up and let's take a twist to the left. You can keep your legs extended or bend your knees. Again, whatever feels good here. Try to keep your back straight. And then twist to the right. Back to center, cross your legs. Take one last deep inhalation to reach your arms high. And exhale, hands to heart. Thanking yourself for your strong practice today. Thank you so much for joining me, and I wish you a lovely day. Bye.